This video explores how to use GitHub Projects as a Gantt chart tool for managing projects like a school assessment task, or SAT. First, we configure the project settings. This includes setting the project name, the default repository, and adding a short description and README. The initial project view defaults to a table format, allowing us to easily add the first item, which represents a task or ticket. Next, we create a new issue, which serves as a task or ticket within the project. It is important to select the correct repository for the issue. Here we add the title and a description for the new issue. We can also assign it to someone, add labels, or link it to a milestone. To visualize the schedule, we switch the project view to the roadmap layout. This view is necessary to create the Gantt chart visualization. In the roadmap view, we need to add date fields to define the timeline of our tasks. We can choose to add start, end, or target dates. Within the task details, we can now assign the start and end dates for the task, which are essential for displaying the task on the Gantt chart. With the dates assigned, the project now displays in a Gantt chart format in the roadmap view, showing the task duration on the timeline. This slide provides an example of a traditional Gantt chart, highlighting the tasks, durations, and dependencies typical of project management. Here, we see the table views side by side with the roadmap view, showcasing the transition and how tasks are represented in both formats. We can add custom fields, like single select options for grouping, to further organize and categorize tasks within the project. The roadmap view allows grouping by the custom field, such as criteria, enabling better organization and analysis of tasks across different categories. Switching back to the table view, we can assign a custom field value, like C01, to individual tasks for grouping purposes. Finally, we see the Gantt chart, or roadmap, grouped by the custom field C01, providing a clear visual representation of tasks belonging to that group. Now let's look at how to add milestones to our project. Navigate to the Issues section within your GitHub repository and click on the Milestones tab. In the Milestones tab, click the New Milestone button. Here, you'll enter a title, an optional due date, and a description for your new milestone, then save the changes. To assign an issue to a milestone, open the issue and look for the Milestones section on the right. Select the milestone you just created. When you return to the Issues tab, you can see which issues have been assigned to the C01 milestone, indicated by the milestone marker. To see the milestone on the roadmap, you must add the milestone field to your project view. This will add milestone markers to your Gantt chart. The roadmap now includes a marker for the milestone, indicating its position relative to the task timelines. Comparing this to a traditional Gantt chart, you can consider what is still missing in the GitHub project's roadmap view for advanced project management.